Part 16, HTML Graphics Tutorial with the Canvas and SVG Extended Version. Introduction to HTML Graphics. Explanation. Cover the role of graphics in modern web design, the differences between raster and vector graphics, and the specific use cases for Canvas and SVG. Discuss the importance of graphics for user engagement and interactivity. Keywords: HTML graphics basics, web graphics tutorial, raster versus vector graphics in HTML. The HTML canvas element, setup and basics. Explanation: guide on setting up the canvas element and assigning width and height. Show how to get a 2D context, the entry point for drawing shapes and paths. Example code. Canvas ID equals myCanvas, width equals 600, height equals 400, style equals border 1px solid number 000000/canvas. Script. Const canvas equals document.getElement by ID, myCanvas. Const ctx equals canvas.getContext, 2D. /script. Keywords: HTML Canvas a tutorial, Canvas setup HTML5, draw shapes with HTML Canvas. Drawing shapes and paths on Canvas. Explanation: show how to draw rectangles, circles, and lines on Canvas. Discuss how to fill shapes with color and outline them with strokes. Example code. ctx.fillStyle equals #FF5733. ctx.fillRect 20, 20, 100, 80. Keywords: Canvas draw shapes, HTML5 Canvas tutorial, draw with HTML Canvas. Adding text to Canvas. Explanation: demonstrate how to add text to Canvas, customize font styles, and align text for various design effects. Example code. ctx.font equals 20px Arial. ctx.fillText, hello Canvas, 50, 50. Keywords: add text to HTML Canvas, HTML Canvas font style, Canvas text effects. Creating responsive graphics with media queries. Explanation: show how to adjust the Canvas dimensions and maintain aspect ratios across different screen sizes for responsive design. Keywords: responsive HTML Canvas, HTML graphics media queries, Canvas resizing HTML5. Understanding SVG, scalable vector graphics in HTML. Explanation: introduce SVG and explain the benefits of vector graphics. Cover the syntax for SVG, including SVG, circle, rect, and path elements. Example code. SVG width equals 100, height equals 100. Circle CX equals 50, psi equals 50, R equals 40, stroke equals green, fill equals yellow, /SVG. Keywords: SVG in HTML5 tutorial, scalable vector graphics HTML, SVG versus Canvas. Styling SVG with CSS and JavaScript. Explanation: demonstrate how to style SVG elements with CSS and interact with them using JavaScript for animations and hover effects. Example code. Circle, hover. Fill, orange. Keywords: style SVG with CSS, interactive SVG HTML, SVG animation JavaScript. Graphics play a critical role in modern web design, bridging the gap between aesthetic appeal and functionality. The choice between raster and vector graphics is influenced by the specific requirements of a project. 1. Raster versus vector graphics, a detailed comparison. Raster graphics. Made up of pixels arranged in a grid. Ideal for photos and detailed imagery. Common formats: JPEG, PNG, GIF. Limitation: quality degrades when scaled up. Vector graphics. Comprised of mathematical paths and shapes. Resolution independent, maintaining clarity at any size. Common formats: SVG, EPS. Advantage: perfect for icons, logos, and interactive designs. 2. Use cases for Canvas and SVG. When to use Canvas. For dynamic, pixel-based graphics like real-time games or charts. Ideal for animations requiring frequent updates. Examples: interactive dashboards. Game development. When to use SVG. For static, scalable graphics or UI elements. Perfect for designs that need consistent quality across screen sizes. Examples: logos. Illustrations. Responsive charts. 3. Why graphics are essential. Enhance user engagement. Graphics make content visually appealing, holding users' attention longer. Improve accessibility. Graphical representations like charts and diagrams simplify complex information. Boost interactivity. Dynamic graphics like animated SVGs create an engaging user experience. 4. Role in modern web design. Responsive design. Graphics adapt to various devices, ensuring usability on smartphones, tablets, and desktops. Example: SVGs scale seamlessly without compromising quality. Performance optimization. Proper use of vector graphics and lightweight images enhances load times, critical for user retention. 5. Challenges and best practices. Challenge: balancing quality and performance. Solution: optimize raster images and prefer SVGs for scalable designs. Tip: use compression tools like TinyPNG for raster images and avoid overly complex SVG paths for efficiency. In this tutorial, we've explored the basics of HTML graphics using both the Canvas element and SVG, scalable vector graphics. You now have a solid foundation for creating both dynamic, pixel-based drawings with the Canvas and crisp, scalable graphics using SVG. Key takeaways. The Canvas element. A powerful tool for drawing graphics programmatically. Great for dynamic content like animations, games, and real-time data visualization. SVG graphics. Ideal for scalable, resolution-independent graphics. Perfect for logos, illustrations, and interactive web elements. Styling and animating with CSS and JavaScript. Customize both Canvas and SVG graphics with CSS for visual styling. Add interactivity and animations using JavaScript. Remember, the choice between Canvas and SVG depends on your project's needs, whether you're working with static, scalable graphics or dynamic, pixel-based drawings.